Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new 47-inch under-counter freezers, okay? This is going to be an all stainless steel unit, very good quality, brand on the unit. It's our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this unit, starting with exterior. We'll also measure the inside for you, okay? Starting with the length here, as I mentioned, we're looking at an overall of 47 inches, 47, front to back. You're looking at a total of 29.5 inches. And the overall height for this unit, we're looking at 35.5 inches high. Now, the unit does have casters included already installed, so it makes it easier for you to use the unit. Now, I want to go ahead and open up these doors, show you the inside. And once we open up these doors, you'll be able to see that there is shelving for the unit. You have two shelves provided, one on each side. Also, there will be a thermometer over on the inside. And on the left-hand side, we have stickers which can show you the certifications for this unit, as well as circuit diagram and all the specs for this under-counter unit. Okay, now I want to go ahead and give you the overall inside measurements here. Front to back, we're looking at 17.5 inches. Left to right, we're looking at a total of 42.5 inches. The overall height on the inside will be 23 inches high. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this unit. Now, before we go here, I want to go ahead and show you the back of the unit. And on the back, we'll be able to find our plug. Okay, so this is a standard US plug located on the back. Also, we have our temperature controller also located on the back. This will show you the temperature once the unit is on and running. You can also set your temperature on that same control. So all that will be located on the back for this unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this 47-inch under-counter freezer. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, CoolerDepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call, and we'll have you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.